So here's what I took off from this van. I still need to do the fender and the door, and I gotta load that up in the truck and take it to the guy today. He said to bring it by 6 p.m. and then I work at 8 p.m. So I have a little bit of time to get this over to him and then get ready and go back to work. It sucks being sick, but the weather's pretty good. It is doable. I'm just glad it's not raining, it's not cold. So let's get this done. And then hopefully later this week we'll be able to get the van back home and finish it up and install a windshield on it, and this should be ready to go. Let's get the truck over here, backed up to the van, and then load up the door and the fender and take it over there. Alright, so the fender and door is off, loaded up. I'm gonna take it to the guy. Say hi. 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 Okay, so this is what we have left so far. I'm not sure if we're gonna need more things from this van. We'll see once I get the van back from the shop. We'll see what else we'll need. Quick review on the top. Love the top topper. Folds down pretty quickly, so if you need to load up something bigger or taller and you don't want the top to be in the way like I was doing, I just folded it down. And it's also removable too. You can just disconnect the sides and it removes, and the rails also remove if you need to, but in my case I don't need to remove it. I just kind of fold it down and strap it down to the sides here so it doesn't flop around. And when I'm done with that, I can put it back up or leave it down. So we'll see. Let's go to the shop, drop this off, and see how the van is doing over there, if there's any progress on it. Matthew's gonna go with mom to see other kids, to play around. Matthew, your hand is gonna be dirty. Let me see your hands. Let me see. Oh no, dirty. Let's go to the shop and see what's going on there.
2 hours later.
So I just got to the shop, dropped off door and fender, and here's what I have so far. The corner section was cut off. Some of it was some of the sections were able to straighten out. The strut tower has to be pulled a little more, and then we're gonna measure from this point on to the driver, and then gotta measure bolt from here, from this side to that side, to make sure everything lines up. And then this section is going to be cut out and welded into place, and then doors and fender will be fitted, make sure everything's lines up. So far things are looking good. So in a couple days we'll see the progress, and hopefully get it back in about a couple days or so, and continue repairing and continue putting on other parts, and hopefully finish the van this weekend. Alright, so I hope you guys liked this video. If you want to see more videos like this one, hit that subscribe button, like the video, and if you got any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I'll have more video coming up here soon. So we'll see you in the next one. See ya!